it's Shirley and welcome to my channel. Amidst the chaos of finals, I wanted to take a breather, sit in front of the camera, and record a tutorial. So I've been meaning to recreate this look for a while, just never got around to it until now. I was super inspired by Epik High's Sleepless In album cover, and it's just a bunch of colors. It's essentially like a rainbow on your eyelid. I'm sure the look has already been done before this album cover even came out, but I like that it's simple. These colors all complement each other so well on the album. I'm a very simple gal. Yeah, I don't experiment with eyeshadow often, so this is a great look for makeup newbies like me who want to experiment more with colorful eye looks. And if you have not listened to the album yet, what are you doing? Go give it a listen. Album of the year. Wait, no. Fast Stars MMS is also album of the year. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. So let me zoom you guys in. So I'm going to go in and prime my lids with a concealer. I'm just using this concealer from e.l.f. It is the under eye concealer, and then pat it in with my finger. I realize I don't have a mirror here. Setup is not the most convenient, but it's okay. If you guys couldn't tell, I'm back filming in front of this wall because my room is quite messy, and I feel like for a makeup tutorial you don't really want the background to be distracting. So, and then I'm going to set that with a powder. I'm just gonna take this highlighting powder from the Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, and it's supposed to be a highlighting powder, but I find that it's pretty matte. So I'm just going to use my finger and blend it over, and not to forget the crease area, just so the concealer doesn't budge. So in my first makeup tutorial, my oily foundation routine, I did a voiceover, so today I'm just going to try out talking and doing things at the same time and see how that turns out. I know that the video will turn out longer, but I don't know, like some people prefer chit-chatty makeup tutorials, so that's cool too. So we're going to get into the colors. I'm using my NYX Night on the Town palette. Ooh, the glare. And this has like 3 layers. Super bright colors with blushes. And it also has some small brushes you can use, as well as some bronzing and contouring shades. So first I'm going to be using this lilac purple shade right here and putting that over my lids. I'm just going to be using my fingers because honestly I find that using my fingers is the best for packing eyeshadow. And I just want this as a nice base for the darker purple that I'm going to put on. Excuse my skin for looking so dead. I don't have anything on at the moment, but I will, so do not fret. I'm going to be using this more blue toned purple and applying that on my lid. Yeah, that's pretty. I love blue toned purple shades. Just something about that. Just gonna pack it on more so that the camera will pick it up because the camera washes out everything. Also, excuse my nails. I have not had time to do them. I can't be bothered. I'm just gonna go in with this more pink tone, slightly more pink tone purple, and make it pop in the center. So this is what we have so far. So I'm gonna go in with a transition shade now. So I'm not sure if it cut off, but I'm just gonna go in with the green and apply it to the inner half of my eye as well as the inner corner. It's okay if the bottom is a little messy, we're gonna clean that up. So we definitely lost the purple from earlier. in the middle of the eye. I'm just gonna go back in and build that up. Now I'm gonna take the same magenta color that I put in the crease and bring it on the lower lid. Ooh, it's pigmented. Just blend it across the lash line. I'm also going to intensify the pink because we don't want to lose that pink. I kind of want to emulate her vibe. She's wearing eyeliner, so I'm gonna throw on some eyeliner, although that's what I would usually do. I'm just gonna be using the Physicians Formula Sexy Booster Cat Eye Collection Liquid Eyeliner in Ultra Black, and I'm gonna get pretty close because I can't see myself. She has quite a cat eye, so I'm also gonna try to recreate that. I'm just gonna, instead of like elongating my eye, I'm just gonna bring it up like this. Instead of following my eye shape, I'm just gonna go for the wing and then slowly connect it. I feel like this is how I used to do my eyeliner, but I totally do not do it like this anymore. I kind of miss it. I feel like I always hold my breath whenever I do my eyeliner. Are not supposed to be sisters, but I'm going to clean it up with a concealer brush. I'm just gonna wipe under it slightly to sharpen the wing. I'm feeling a little extra, so I'm going to add some lashes. So I'm back. I just put on the rest of my face, eyelashes, and lips. I will link all of the products down below if you guys are interested. I like that even though there's a lot of colors, it's still very wearable. This is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. It's super simple, or enjoyed watching me do this makeup look. But yeah, I'm super excited for finals to be over. Hell Week is next week, so that means I will have more time to put out videos. I know I've been slacking. I mean, I've been getting a video out per week, but it's always never on time. And that's due to like my weekends being super busy with plans and school. But summer will come around and I'm gonna get on my grind. So yeah, I hope you guys are excited for that and are looking forward to that. Good luck on finals and everything. I know a lot of people are graduating, so congrats if you're graduating, or if you're just starting out school, good luck, because you need it. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!